welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Goodness, and today obviously you guys already know my sister Adaku, period. So let's just get right into the video. Today I am going to show my sister pictures in my Instagram, and I want her to rate it a 1 out of 10. Rate my outfit from a 1 out of 10 to all the pictures you've seen that I'm going to show you from my Instagram, okay? I'm going to show her on my phone, but I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about.
I can't wait to do this because...
Are you going to be honest? Please don't be like, that's my sister, I need to be nice.
Me.
1 to 10. If 10 being good and 1 being not so good, be honest. Let the viewers know that you're being honest with me. You know what I'm saying, y'all?
Yes, ma'am. Let's go.
How you feeling? The drum roll, please.
The question is, are you even ready for me to rate this? Because
no, I'm
you
not
know
ready.
how blunt I am.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so it's a lot of pictures. It's a lot of pictures. Ooh, am I ready? Am I ready? Okay. The first one. Wait, hold on. Let me put the brightness up.
I like it already. I like it. I like it. I like the orange. It's giving me fashion. It's giving me fashion.
Okay.
And I love it. I will give it a 9. I will give it a 9 because, and you're talking about just the outfit, right?
Just the outfit.
It's just giving me fashion. The orange, the purple, the green. It's too many colors. I would not do these colors.
It was for New York Fashion Week.
Okay, it does help. So 9 out of 10.
Woo! The second one.
I like the jacket. I don't know if I'm feeling the top. I feel like you're going to
somewhere in Dubai.
Yes. Like a Muslim thing. But I understand, I know, duh. But the combo, I'm here for the combo. Is giving consistency.
Consistency.
Silver, black, and basically silver and black. If that's the assignment, you nailed it.
Cha-ching!
Yes. So I will give it, because of that, I will give it an 8 out of 10.
What?
Yes.
This is less than the orange outfit?
I said the orange one
was
is
a
9.
9. So this one's an 8 out of 10.
Yes. It's like you're going to a dinner. And that's the assignment.
And you guys, the funny thing is, I actually didn't go anywhere with this outfit. It's so annoying sometimes when I'm taking some pictures for a certain brand. I don't go anywhere with them. I literally just go to take a picture. But would I wear it again? Probably. I wear it again.
I would give it
I literally never went anywhere, guys. This is really crazy. Like, you would think I went to a dinner or something.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I would give it.
Just take a picture. How you feeling? Come on, show us.
No.
Why don't you It's probably because of the legs.
Too much
the
legs
thighs
showing.
Was showing.
Too
Zoom
much.
in. Make sure you zoom in to see everything.
The top, it looks like you're too thirsty for here. You too thirsty, girl. The coat, ooh, yes.
It was giving me magazine.
Yes.
Oh, I'm over here rating myself. My bad. Go ahead.
Magazine, the boot, the coat. That's it for me.
You don't like the skirt?
No. The top, no. The purse, yes. The makeup with the look and the hair, the blonde, yes. Overall, because of it, you were looking too thirsty. Overall, I will give this it has to be less than a 5, so I will give it a 4.
No way, y'all. Comment down below what you think about this, because no way.
I will give it a 4.
A 4 out of 10, y'all. She's saying this is a 4 out of 10. The next one, the next one is giving Barbie.
Ooh, yes, 7.
Dang, you already know 7 out of 10.
Yes.
Y'all thought it was gonna be an 8 at least. A 7 out of 10.
7.
The next one. Zoom in.
Y'all, I know, I like how you be zooming in.
Zoom in.
I love this outfit. This is a 9.5.
A 9.
This outfit is cute. It's giving me
Class.
Class. It's giving me class. What was this? Like a dinner? Did you go somewhere with this?
No, I actually went out. Yeah, it was a date night.
Hair, makeup. Okay, good job with your makeup too. Makeup.
She be saying I do a lot with my face, and I really don't think I do.
Compliments. The clear, I love the clear because the black is a lot going on, but not too much. You know what I'm saying? Like top here.
Yeah.
So you don't want to do too much with the shoes.
Next one is. Let's zoom in. This one should be given
a 6.
A 6 out of 10.
The orange, this is like you're hanging out this in Nigeria, some of the village people, but okay, I love the idea of the color of the purse. Oh yes, this a 10. This is a 10. Do y'all see where I'm going with this? Okay,
she don't like me showing skin. That's just
it's not even that. If you're gonna show, don't be thirsty.
Oh, ain't nobody thirsty over here. Y'all see my sister? Please.
Class, my darling. Class. Keep it classy. This.
Let's zoom in a little bit.
This is look at the shoes.
The shoes.
Look at the purse. I love the touch.
Let's zoom in. 1 out of 10.
This is giving me a 6.5.
Oh.
6.5 because the ruffle skirts with the tie shoe with the ruffle top, I don't know. Yeah. The outfit.
Okay, the next outfit is zoom in. You gotta always zoom in. That's why I was really going to the gym a lot.
I would give it an 8. And the reason why is because different outfit, different look. There's something about the look that makes me rate this outfit, honestly.
All right, the next one is,
okay, I love this.
I
don't know. There's just something about this outfit when you posted it and I saw it on Instagram. I know. To me, this is an 8, which is crazy that I would give this an 8. Again, it's playing with colors. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, this is giving me
it's like how can you think about?
Right. Okay. Next door, I'm about to go golfing with my babe. Like, people will be like, but wait, it's short. No, don't get me wrong. You know, I wear short stuff, especially if I'm going golfing or things like that. I wear short stuff.
With like shorts underneath and
exactly,
stuff
like skirts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's the colors for me.
The next one, ooh, I feel like she's probably not gonna, you know what, let me not talk too much. The next one, I was going to an all black party. She said, wear all black. Ooh. This is actually one of my favorite pieces.
I would give this a 10.
Woo! Why would you give it to a 10? Let the viewers know, baby.
Zoom in. The red hair. I've never, you gotta tell them the story behind this jacket because I've never seen this jacket anywhere.
Oh, let's pause for a second. So the story behind this jacket was actually constructed. The jacket was extremely big on me. Like, I wish I showed the before and after, but when I constructed the jacket to the way I wanted it to be, I was able to like play around with shapes, play around with the cutting. If you see the detail of the jacket, at the bottom is cut different. The shoulder pads, like I was just going in on this jacket, and yeah, it was an all black
see
look.
Why I know how to rate? Hire me to rate you. So no, 10.
Okay.
10.
Drum roll, please. This is the last picture she is going to rate. It better be the best of the best. Okay.
Ooh. Yo, I'm not biased. 10. Can I do a 10, 11, 12, 13? You slayed this outfit. White.
The hair. Do y'all see the cut? The pants. Shout out to Hanifa. Oh, that's the one I dyed too. That was white, and then I dyed into
this
pink.
pants. Okay. I'm done. 10,
You-
5, 11, 12, 13, 14.
I'm so excited for you guys to see like the type of fashion I want to get into and content for the next year, because my style have changed into
has
like
evolved.
a 180, and I'm like, these looks right now ain't even nothing close to the style that I'm trying to like tap into. So anyway, you already know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And happy holidays, y'all.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Make sure you guys have a wonderful holiday, a wonderful Christmas. Christmas is not about the presents, please. What is it about?
It's about Jesus.
It's about Jesus.
Yes.
So make it about Jesus.
That's right.
Not no Santa Claus.
No.
Not no presents. Make it about Jesus.
Yes. Jesus is the reason for the
season. We love you guys. Bye.